How to thicken barbecue sauce. Easy ways to thicken barbecue sauce. The easiest way to thicken barbecue sauce is to remove some of the water that has been added to it. If your sauces is a bit too thin, maybe you've just added a little too much water. All you need to do in this case is to simmer the sauce a little longer. When the excess water has evaporated, the sauce will become thicker. Here are a couple of easy tricks to thicken your sauce. Do you know that flour is the most underrated ingredient in the kitchen? What many people don't realize is that flour has a lot to offer under its sleeves, and thickening barbecue sauce is just one of it. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to 1/4 cup of water. Make sure to mix all the ingredients very well before adding it to the barbecue sauce so you can avoid having those unwanted lumps. This technique will make 2 cups of barbecue sauce. You can just add more ingredients if you want more. Using cornstarch as thickener is the same as using flour. The procedure is basically the same, except that this time, you are using cornstarch. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of water. Mix them well and make sure there are no lumps. After that, all you need to do is mix it with your barbecue sauce. These are the easiest ways you can thicken your barbecue sauce. These are good for beginners and if you just need to thicken a sauce that is already flavorful. But there are other more sophisticated ways to thicken barbecue sauce, so read on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.